Hello everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel English Dose. Today we will see our new chapter Nouns. Noun. First of all, we will see the definition of noun. A word that is the name of a person, animal, place, thing, quality, idea, and is typically used in a sentence as a subject or object of a verb or as object of a preposition is called noun. Nouns are also called naming words. So simply we can say that noun is a word which is used for a name of a person, animal, place or thing is called noun. Name of a person, place, thing is called noun. Noun functions in a sentence as a subject as well as an object. The another name we call to the noun is naming words. Naming word is the another name for the noun. Let's see the examples of noun. Person, man, woman, teacher, John, Mary. These are the examples of noun. Place, home, office, town, countryside, America. These are the names of places. The name of place is also called the noun. Thing, table, car, banana, money, music, love, dog and monkey. So here the nouns are given, things as well as the animals. Hence it is clear that noun is a name of a person, animal, place or thing. Nouns are also called the naming words. What is a noun? Let's revise. What is a noun? A noun is a name of person, place, thing or idea. Now let's have a look of the picture and answer. What is this? A person, that is cowboy. Next, place. What picture is it is? What place it is? It is a church. Now the most favorite thing of the children, it is a beach ball. And the last one, that is a picture, a place where everyone get their justice in the world. Now let's read the sentences and try to find out the nouns. Our teacher handed out the papers. So here it is already said that the name of a person, place, thing, idea is called noun. So in example number 1, our teacher handed out the papers. So what is the noun here? Teacher is a noun. And one more noun we can find, that is papers. Second example, every student should have a computer for school. Now you try to find out what is the noun. Student, school, computer. Three nouns are in example number 2. The bus went down the wrong road. Look at the picture and name it. What is this? This is a bus. So bus is a thing. The name of person, place or thing is called noun. So what is noun in example number 3? Bus. One more noun, that is a road. Now example number 4, the plane is going to crash. What is going to crash? The plane. Plane is the name of a thing. So plane is what? Noun. Example number 5, that dog chased the boys up a tree. So here which animal you can see? The dog. Dog is the name of animal. So what is the noun in this example? The dog. And another one, boys. And the last one, tree. So 3 nouns are found in this example. Example number 6, the boy is very fat. Look at the picture and try to answer. This is a picture of a very fat boy. So what is the noun? In this example, boy. Very good, excellent. My mom and dad helped me with my homework. Look at the picture. There we can see a kid with his parents. So who helped the kid in doing homework? Mom and dad. So what are the nouns here? Mom, and second one dad, and the last one, they did what? They helped me with homework. Homework is the third noun. My teacher likes to read books and talk. Who is this? The teacher. So what is the noun in this example? Teacher is the name of a person, and likes to read books and talk. What he likes to read? Books is the another noun. Example number 9. The doctor visited the patient at the hospital. Who visited at the hospital? The doctor. So doctor is a person and it is a noun. And another one, patient. Where the doctor visited? What place? That is hospital. So hospital is also a noun. 3 nouns we have found in this example. The girl did not like the boy. Look at the picture. What we can see? A girl standing, a standing girl. So what is the noun in this example? The girl. And the girl did not like what? Boy. So boy is the another noun. Our team won the big game. Who won the big game? Our team. So what is the noun here? Team. And what our team did? Won the big game. So what is the another noun? Game. The example number 12. The cat has bad hair. Look at the picture. Which animal you can see? The cat. So what is the noun here? Cat. And another one, how bad her hairs are. So what is the next noun? Hair. Last example, the bug is smiling. The bug is smiling. Look at the picture. So which insect is there? The bug. And what it is doing is smiling. So what is the noun? The bug is the noun. Hope you understood about the nouns. Nouns are the naming words. The name of a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. Hope you understood the video. Thank you so much for your kind listening and attention.